Okay, so I'm going to show you how to speed up Linux Mint just a little bit. So just disable a few settings. First thing we'll do is go to your menu, then go to System Settings. As you can see, I have a very slow laptop. Okay, so once in here, you can go to Effects, and then you can disable pretty much all of this. Desktop and menu effects, yes. Or you can select the ones that you want to keep. After that, you go to General Settings. Then you disable compositing for full screen windows. So it's basically shadows and all the nice little things that you see. It does it in one go to display a nice and neat picture for you. If you know what I mean. Just disable that and then go back. Then there's another one. Scroll down and go to Windows Styling, and you disable that. So Windows Styling is this thing. So it tiles it next to each other, so that you're gonna have windows pretty much in, how can I say it, parallel next to each other. Yeah, just disable that, and yeah, that should be it. So I'll see if my laptop is faster. Good stuff.